Welcome back. We are going to convert different test results to different pages. We're going to take the test results from the Claude Sonnet model. We're going to convert it to a page. We're going to edit in the name of the model. We're then going to publish the page. And our page is now published. We're now going to go to the page generated by x.ai. And we're going to convert it to a page. We're going to edit the page. And we're going to include how we created the model. We're then going to click Save. We will then publish our page. Finally, we're going to choose the default page, and we're going to publish that page also. And we're going to click Publish. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.